Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. Yay! So what I do is I try to find stickers at Dollar Tree so I can make, really inexpensive cards. And it's been challenging. Some of the stickers that my local Dollar Tree have are just like really old, nothing really new that I run across. I don't go into Dollar Tree every day or anything, but just not a big selection of new stickers. However, I was in the store the other day getting something that I didn't probably need, and I went down the sticker aisle and I saw this sticker set, and immediately I thought I could make a cute card out of that. So let me show you what I used to make the card. So first up, from Waffle Flower, I purchased this new set, and it's called Inside Sentiment Birthday. So this is for the inside of your card. And so this is one that I'm going to use for the inside of card. And they're, really, really sweet sentiments. May your special day bring you as much joy as you bring me. Isn't that cute? So I will be using this on the inside of the card. And then I use this old set of dies that I've had forever. I have no name. But I use the little clouds. These are the clouds dies that I use on mostly any card that I make where I want to use a cloud. So I use those. And then for the Dollar Tree stickers, it was this balloon set. There was 8-piece, and they call them pop-up. And so you can see several of them are gone, and then even half one is left. And you'll see why in just a moment. So here is the card. And I think it's really sweet. I used a sentiment that was in my stash from Waffle Flower, I believe. It says, treat yourself on your special day. And I used the clouds. I used some foam tape or foam to, give it some dimension, because these stickers already had dimension. And then like on this one, I cut part of the balloon, and then on this one, and here's another balloon coming in, and there's one way off in the distance. So I didn't stamp the sentiment in here yet, because I don't usually like to show the inside sentiments that I use, but I'm going to use one of the ones I shared with you. And then I put this little extra balloon there, which doesn't allow for the card to close all the way, but it already kind of has a little bend on it from where maybe I used a little too much glue on it. So I think it'll be fine. But what do you think? This is a 5x7 card. I use paper from my card stash, and I thought it turned out super sweet. So that's my Dollar Tree sticker series video card today. Let me know what you think below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I would like that. So anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.